Hello guys, welcome back to my Dream Academy. Guys, today we'll discuss another drug that is called cannabinoids. Right now, last time we discussed about the opioids. Today we'll discuss about the cannabinoids. Right. So guys, cannabinoids actually obtained from cannabis sativa. Right now, actually leaves of cannabis sativa, and this cannabis sativa actually found in where guys? Found in India. Found in where guys? Found in India. So cannabinoids obtained from leaves of cannabis sativa, right now, which part guys? Inflorescence of flower, right now, and this plant found in where guys? India. Guys, if we are talking about receptor, right now, receptor of drugs, so receptor actually found in brain. Receptor found in brain, particularly if you can say, that is called the central nervous system, right? Well, now what is the intake method? Right now we are talking about the intake method of this drug. So intake method will be what guys? That is called the oral ingestion, as well as you can say about of inhalation. About what guys? Inhalation. Now what is the effect of drug? What is the effect of drug? So effect of drug, cardiovascular system, right now. So where it causes effect guys? It causes effect in cardiovascular system, right? So cardiovascular system in the sense what guys? Actually due to this drug, blood pressure will be what guys? Increases. Due to this drug, blood pressure will be increases. If blood pressure increases guys, so heart rate will be also increases. So due to this reason guys, it causes effect on cardiovascular system. I am talking about guys cannabinoids. In last video I discussed about there are various category of the drugs, like tranquilizers are there, sedative or hypnotics are there, stimulants are there, opioids are there, right now cannabinoids, alkaloids, that all are what guys? Drugs, right? So in NCERT we will discuss about what guys? According to NCERT we will discuss about three drugs, that is called the opioids, cannabinoids and alkaloids. So in last video already I discussed about opioids. Right now it is about the cannabinoids. So cannabinoids is actually obtained from which plant guys? Cannabis sativa. This cannabis sativa found in where guys? India. Receptor found in where guys? Brain region. Intake method is what guys? Oral ingestion, either inhalation you can say. Major effect where guys? So it causes major effect in the cardiac system, cardiovascular system guys. Right now due to this drug guys, blood pressure and heartbeat rate will be what guys? Increases. Is that clear or not guys? Right? Okay guys, if we are talking about of product of these drug guys, plants, तो कौन कौन से होंगे गैस? प्रोडक्ट विल बी व्हाट? सो प्रोडक्ट हियर यू कैन से लाइक गैस marijuana, right? Second will be what guys? That is called the hashish. Next guys you can say that is called the ganja, right? Next you can say about the what guys? That is called the bhang, right now. So marijuana, hashish, ganja, bhang, these all are what guys? Product of cannabinoids, product of cannabis sativa. Is that clear or not guys? So what I am saying that cannabinoids drug obtained from plant known as a cannabis sativa. Is that clear or not guys? Now this drug found in cannabis sativa found in where guys? India. Receptor found in where guys? Brain region. Intake method oral ingestion and inhalation. Effect where guys? Cardiovascular system. Is that clear? So it's all about what guys? Cannabinoids. Now guys, if I am talking about next drug, that is called the alkaloid. Right now alkaloid. So guys, alkaloid is what guys? Actually this alkaloid obtained from erythroxylum coca, right? So guys, erythroxylum coca, so that's why this drug is also known as a what guys? This alkaloids so also called coke, either you can say about what guys? Crack. What you can say guys? That is called the crack. and obtained from where guys? Erythroxylum coca. Guys, in previous time these alkaloids or coke used in where guys? Used in a Coca-Cola industries. Coca-Cola Industries. But right now in Coca-Cola Industries, this drug is not actually using what gas? Caffeine. Is that clear or not, guys? Clear? And obtained from where, guys? Obtained from the erythroxylum coca. Major thing, guys, these alkaloids causes what? Alkaloids causes euphoria. Alkaloids causes what, guys? Euphoria. What is the euphoria, guys? Euphoria means extra happiness. What, guys? Extra happiness. So if person is taking alkaloids, so sometime that person feel what, guys? Extra happiness. This is called the euphoria. Suppose that, guys, if dose will be more, right now heavy dose will be there, so due to heavy dose person will suffer from hallucination. So there are a number of the hallucinogens also there, guys, just like the barbiturates, you can say benzodiazepines, you can say, guys, right now. Clear? Atropa, belladonna, you can say, guys, dhatura, you can say, guys, right now. That all are what, guys? LSD, you can say, that all are the hallucinations and causes the hallucinogen. Right now, so that hallucinogens causes hallucination reaction, guys, right now. So it's all about of what, guys? Alkaloids as well as cannabinoids, and last video already discussed about of the opioids, guys. So guys, in next video we'll discuss other topic, guys. So have a nice day. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.